Private justice. Aristotle dedicates an entire book in ethics to justice and distinguishes types of justice with a precision that the law still uses. Distributive justice, the fair distribution of goods and honors among the members of the community, according to each person's merit. Corrective justice, the correction of injustices, restoring balance when it has been disturbed by an unjust transaction, whether voluntary or involuntary. And justice in the broad sense, which is complete virtue in relation to others. Being just is not just about following the laws. It is about being the kind of person who acts according to what each relationship requires. This distinction between legality and genuine justice is fundamental. You can act within the law and still be unjust. You can exploit legal loopholes in ways that violate the spirit of justice. The letter and the spirit are rarely the same thing. And Aristotle argues that a genuinely just person does not need the law to act justly. They act that way because of who they are, because their character has been shaped toward excellence.